Good morning, America. This is Jacob.Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2021 Heartland North Trail 22 RBS. It's 26 foot long, 5,274 pounds dry. You can definitely tow it with a lot of stuff, and as well as kind of get it into a lot of parks that wouldn't really accommodate that much bigger trailers. What this unit does, so this is kind of North Trail's take on Heartland's other brand. This is the Sundance, has a 221 RB, which is their most popular trailer by far. North Trail picked it up, and they've definitely started doing like the same kind of work, and all the features that really made the Sundance 221 RB one of their most popular trailers of all time, is really kind of featuring in this trailer as well. With the North Trail, you have a thicker wall. You have a 2-inch thick wall, aluminum frame, fiberglass siding, nice. Huge King Kong size storage door here, wide accommodations there to make it easy to put anything in or take anything out. You don't have to really get equipment that's sized for the drawer. This actually is going to accommodate really whatever you want to take along. Nice 26 foot long, a lot of space inside, and I think what really sets this guy apart is what's inside. So let's head inside and have a look. Now, when you walk in, you have a ton of storage space right off the entrance there. You can pantry space. This unit does kitchen storage and accommodations better than even the 30-footers and bigger. You have the pantry space right off the entrance there. You turn into the kitchen, enormous long countertop, a ton of space to have things on the counter, as well as working space for whatever you're doing. Huge double basin sink with some nice hardware pull down faucet there as well, and storage below with tons of drawers, and as well as up top with tons of cabinets. You have your 3-burner stove plus oven and vent hood, as well as microwave up top. And that's actually divided, and everything's divided from the huge bed in the front by a nice kind of half wall there. So it gives us really good division of space there, so everything doesn't feel as though it's stepping on everybody else's toes. And the bed, huge wide bed, great storage accessibility underneath, and it's kind of partitioned, so some of it's easily accessible from the exterior stuff that you just didn't want readily at hand, and the other stuff you still have the ability to pack it away underneath. Great space for keeping stuff at hand on either side of the bed. 110 plugins, USB, super handy, lights up above for reading, and a ton of storage on either side. So closet space as well as folding space up top. Really easy to keep anything, your clothes at hand, or really anything you want to keep handy when you're in the bed space. Great cross ventilation right across windows on either side of the bed. And you have in the slide out, you have a huge U-shaped dinette, the storage above that as well. And you have your big fridge and some extra storage above the fridge. One thing that North Trail does really nicely, a nice barreled roof, really gives a really high on-center feel. You have the vented AC as well as ducted heat, so no vent holes in the floor. Bathroom is off the rear. They've done some really nice stylization of all the trim work and kind of the fit and finish here. Really feels kind of rustic and really nice camp as well. In the bathroom, you have a nice glass enclosure for your shower, as well as a step flush toilet. You still have some extra storage for linens and so forth in the bathroom too. Some great hooks there to keep anything at hand as well. If you have any questions about this Heartland 22 RBS or any other trailer we have on lot, stop on by and say hello, or drop me a line, 773-655-7190. And again, my name is Jake.